Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create related lists in Salesforce in 2025. First, log into your Salesforce account, click the gear icon at the top right, and select Advanced Setup from the menu. Next, in the Quick Find search bar on the left, type Object Manager and select it. Here, you'll see a list of all objects in your Salesforce organization, including standard objects like accounts or contacts, and any custom objects you've created. Choose the parent object you want to customize. After selecting your object, go to the left panel and click Page Layouts. Select the layout you want to edit, such as Account Layout, to open the Layout Editor. Scroll down to the Related Lists section. Here you can add related lists by dragging and dropping the items you want, such as assets, to your layout. Once you've added your related lists, click Save at the top of the Page Layout Editor. This ensures all your changes are applied and ready for use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.